Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. The market has dropped down to a trend line that I identified, and we're close to the morning open. I would like to go ahead and get into this trade and see how it works out. This is a virtual trade. This is just trading after that morning, you know, trade that we do. This is the second trade. Let me set up my bracket that I like setting up, and we want to get in. Can we get in right around this level, around that 10 level? What I'll do is go down here and set my buy. Let's just buy. I want to set my buy right there. See if we get in. We dip below that one more time, we'll be in this trade, or we may miss it. The NASDAQ is one of those ones that should push down below that area one more time. There, we in that trade right now. Again, our stop and our target is in place. I'm just looking at this area here. This is the open. Been a lot of action around this area here. So I look for the market to maybe make another move to the upside, although it's been in a downward trend. If I put a trend line here on the upside, go from this high here, if I can get this thing to work, hitting these highs, and you kind of extend this. Kind of what you do, you extend these to the right. You extend this one to the right also, extend to the right. And this got a little triangle thing forming here. You can look at it that way. There's a lot of different ways to look at the market here. But me to being near this opening, this black line represents an opening. Is this, yeah, these are my pivots. So yes, this black line represents an opening area. And if we go back and look at the market, when it opened, it was well above open. This whole area here, the market has kind of like played around this area, came up to this area and tried to go down and then came back up. Then it tested this area and went up from here, came down to this area again, ended up dancing around this area and tried to go up, but then ended up going down a little bit, came back up to this area, danced around a little bit, and hadn't really gone anywhere and started forming this triangle that we're looking at right now. The question is, will its market continue back to the upside, or will it drop down and go lower? Based on it's been trying to make higher lows, so I'm kind of expecting it to go back up to the upside. So I kind of expect that I can make at least, another quick 10 points on this trade. We're already up about 5 points on this trade. Let's see how this works out. This is not a trade recommendation. This is all for educational purposes only. Trading is risky. You can and you will lose money at trading. So please talk to your financial advisor, your significant other, to make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. We are Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. And also, this is me, my YouTube page, Right Side Trader, where I'll be posting this video. Subscribe, like, comment if you would like. I'll try to get to them if I see them. I haven't signed in. Let me sign in here so I can see stuff. If it lets me. That's my other one. That's not the right one. Switch. Oh, we just got out. We just got out to the upside. We made a quick $200 on that. Again, that's all I really want to share. That's all I really want to show. This trade is still running. If we had traded 2 or more contracts, this would have been getting out of that first target. Then your second target maybe would be this level here at 2,500, or then a higher target maybe up here at this level here, 3,500, breaking out above that. But that's how we kind of look at the market here. That's how I look at the market here, and looking at different trades intraday. And as you can see, I don't have any other indicators on my chart. All I have is my custom pivots. All this line here is the opening back when it opened, 7 o'clock yesterday. And these other lines are my H1 and L1, and then I draw in some support and resistance lines. That's all I really need on here. This moving average line is just something that is really not that important to me, and I just leave it on here. It kind of helps you see direction and see what the market is doing. That's about it. And that's all I really want to share. Again, thank you for viewing. Tell me what you think. Contact us if you want to do something. Because again, based on your trading style, if you were trading 2 contracts, you could just be out of your first contract and still riding this thing up as it goes. But me, I'm the type I know I can't say I know, I expect to get at least 10 points when I start seeing these setups and all, and that's what I go for, especially here in the future market. On QQQ, this probably was, again, I look to get 10 cents or more on these trades when I start seeing these setups, and or maybe more. And that's all I really look for. I don't look to hit a home run every time. I just look to get the first base. And sometimes I get lucky and I might get the third base. Other than that, that's all I really want to say. Thanks for viewing. Talk to you guys later. Have a great week trading. Bye.